Hello dear students, myself Chetna Kalani, your English teacher. In our previous videos, we have learned unit number 3, read 2. The title of the unit is Stress Control Exercises. Now, today in this video, we are going to learn the exercise of this read, and that is part 1. We have learned that if we want to control our stress, we have to do some exercises. And they are short meditations, give your brain oxygen heat, the crown pull, and mental fixes. There are two types of meditations which are discussed into this unit, short meditation 1 and short meditation 2. In first type of meditation, you have to sit quietly, imagine a word, think about it, and build up a mental images illustrating the word. Feel harmony or tranquility within second stage. Choose an object, think about its texture, and close eyes, spend 2 minutes over it. These techniques are used to reduce your stress. In another exercise, we have to give our brain oxygen heat. Why we have to give oxygen heat? Because usually we don't breathe enough to supply sufficient oxygen to our brain. Stress makes us breathe only in a shallow way. Therefore, making oxygen reach our brain, we need to do this exercise. We have to rub our hands together for a moment to create energy. We have to place our palms on the other below the navel. Breathing into belly is important. With every breath, we have to imagine that we are breathing oxygen in our brain. The crown pull is such exercise that influences the flow of cerebrospinal fluid in a positive way. It helps calm our nervous system and take away a headache or stress induced stomach ache and helps us thinking clearly. In this exercise, we have to firmly press down our fingers like comb out our scalp and keep it on from front to back repeatedly. There are some other exercises that are called mental quick fixes. They are varied. So, this is just the summary of this read. Now, today we are going to learn the exercise of this unit. The first part of our exercise is true or false. I am reading the instruction. You also read with me. Write whether the sentences are true or false. First one. Make yourself comfortable and open your eyes. This sentence is false because the sentence must be like this. Make yourself comfortable and close your eyes. Second one. Have the problem with being stressed and unable to concentrate properly is that you don't breathe deeply enough to supply your brain with the sufficient oxygen. This sentence is true. When we get stressed, we tend to breathe deeply. It is the wrong sentence. When we get stressed, we tend to hold our breath. Fourth one, when we get stressed, We breathe in a shallow way using only the top part of our lungs. This sentence is true. Exit is taken from the textbook. Fifth one, the crown pool influences the flow of cerebrospinal fluid in a negative way. This sentence is wrong. It is not in a negative way, but it is in positive way. So your sentence must be like this. Then only it can be true. The crown pool influences the flow of cerebrospinal fluid in a positive way. Here the word negative is given, so your sentence is false. Next one, the creative activity exercises the right side of the brain and helps rebalance your heart. This sentence is false. The sentence must be like this. The creative activity exercises the right side of the brain and helps rebalance your brain. It must be brain. It must not be heart. So the sentence is false. Seventh one, sing in the bath and use the oil bottle as a microphone. This sentence is wrong. Sing in the bath and use the oil bottle as a microphone. This sentence is wrong because the sentence must be like this. Sing in the bath and use the shampoo bottle as a microphone. So this sentence is false. Eighth one, nobody is perfect. And who wants to be nobody? Mistakes are okay. The sentence is right one. So it is true. Ninth one, save the phrase I can't in your vocabulary. So this sentence is false. This sentence is false. It must be delete the phrase. Delete the phrase I can't in your vocabulary. It is not save, but it is the word delete. 10th one, expect to be unlucky. This sentence is also false because the sentence must be like this. Expect to be lucky. So here are your true and false. In our next part, we are going to learn the nearest meaning that are used into this lesson, into this unit. Tranquility. Tranquility means calmness. Calmness means shant. Serenity. Serenity means peacefulness. Shanti. Cranial bones. Cranial bones means skull bones. ખોપડીના જે હાડકા હોય એને શું કહેવામાં આવે છે? cranial bones અથવા તો skull bones. Spinal column. Spine means કરોડરજ્જુ. કરોડરજ્જુ એટલે કે backbone. પાછળના જે હાડકા છે, પીઠની અંદર આવેલા હાડકા છે તેને શું કહેવામાં આવે છે? spinal column કહેવામાં આવે છે. કરોડરજ્જુ કહેવામાં આવે છે. Scalp means skin on the top of the head. ખોપરી ઉપરની ચામડી. Meditation. Contemplation, concentration, speculation. એટલે કે ધ્યાન, ચિંતન, ધ્યાનયોગ અથવા તો પ્રણિધાન. Comfortable means free from stress, આરામદાયક. Harmony means concord, સંવાદિતા, એકતાલ. Visualize means imagine, કલ્પના. Appeal means attract means આકર્ષણ અથવા તો ગમતી વસ્તુ હોવી તે, આકર્ષિત થવું તે. Consciously with awareness, સભાનપણાથી. Stress induced, caused by stress, તણાવ દ્વારા ઉત્પન્ન થયેલું હોય તે. Serenity means tranquility, peace, placidity, peacefulness, એટલે કે શાંતિ અથવા તો ગાંભીર્ય. સેરેબ્રોસ્પાઇનલ ફ્લુઇડ, ફ્લુઇડ ઓફ બ્રેન, ખોપરીમાં રહેલું પ્રવાહી, મસ્તિષ્ક પ્રવાહી. રિલેક્સેશન means tranquility, વિશ્રામ, વિશ્રાંતિ. લિંગાઇડલી, સ્લો, આળસપૂર્વક, ધીમે ધીમે. હેમિસ્ફિયર, સેરેબ્રલ હેમિસ્ફિયર એટલે કે મગજનો અડધો ભાગ, ગોળાર્ધ. ફેબ્રિક, ફેબ્રિક means cloth, textile or material. So in this video we have learned true false, nearest meaning, the summary of this lesson. In our next video we are going to discuss the exercise just like extracts and short note. We are going to meet in our next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.